Welcome back, everyone. So today we're going to be installing the smoke sequential turn lights in the wing mirrors of the X-Trail. It's a 2016 plate X-Trail T32. This will also work for the Qashqai J11, which is of the same era, and the Rouge, which is the American version of the X-Trail. So it's not difficult to do, but it's at parts it can be a little bit scary, but I'll try and make it as simple as possible. You are going to need a couple of tools for it, and obviously I will leave a link in the description where I get what tools I used and the turn signals that I brought as well. So this is the kit that I brought. I got this on Amazon. I think they're about £40. They're well packaged, and you get a little trim tool in there, but you are going to need, I use a much larger trim tool when it comes to mirrors because it makes it a lot safer and easier, and you're also going to need some I think it's a T10. I've got a T10 and a T15 here, but I will confirm in a minute. Torque bits, little flathead screwdriver, and obviously I've got another panel tool just in case. Things first, what I do is tilt the mirror all the way down, and then what you're going to need to do is get in behind here with your tool and gently pry off the mirror. There will be a lot of creaking and a lot of noise, so just take your time and be very gentle. And then on the back of the mirror, these are heated, so you will have a little connector you just slide off for the cable. So once you've prise it off, you see you've got two metal prongs there, which is for your heated element. Two connectors there, they just slide straight off. And then next thing you've got is you're going to need, it's a T15 Torx bit, and in this hole there you can see the screw there, one there, oh, one there, and one down the bottom there. I've just disconnect that to loosen the motor, and that should just hang on the cabling just down here. The thing you need to do is loosen the clips off. So you've got one here, oh, where are we? One here, there, and there. And what I did find, just gently, you see there, just pry the black bit open with the screwdriver, and then use the panel tool on the inside of the, I'll just mark it here, on the inside here, just to leave that open with the panel tool. I've done this 5 around the outside. What you will need to do is two last clips to do, two black ones, one there and one there, and you literally just lever it down and push it forward. Just be careful as you do that, and then you can just slide the panel off. I'm just going to leave that gently there. So that's the cover off. The next thing is to release the light itself. You've got two T15 screws, one there and one just hidden there behind the cable. Once they're removed, you should be able to just pop the light off. All we do then, slide out the cable, power cable, and start fitting the new ones. What I've done is put the new one in place, put the cabling in, put the bolt on. I've just put the hazard lights on quickly just to make sure it was working. But then basically it's going to be a case of fitting everything back the same way it came off. Just take your time, and you should be okay. So that's the end of the video. As always, I hope it's sort of helpful. If it is, please like, subscribe to the channel. Got a lot more coming up on the Nissan. One thing I did find when I did the passenger side window, when I had popped out the 5 clips for the surround, I noticed it was really loose, and just using the panel tool right at the center at the bottom, I managed to unclip the other hidden clip, and I didn't need to unclip the two black bottom clips where the camera module is, and the mirror cover did pop off. So it's something just to check when you're doing yours. Like I say, any questions, comments, put them in the comment section. I will put details of where I buy all the items from and the tools that I use in the description. So I've got lots coming up on the X-Trail. Ambient lighting's going in. I'm going to upgrade all the interior a little bit because it's a little bit boring. Lots of stuff going on the outside. Roof racks, lights, different lights, fog lights, puddle lights, and some floodlights as well. Plus tow bar and other bits and bobs. So there's a lot going on with the X-Trail. So please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.